The milk is sent through stainless steel pipes to large refrigerated vats, then stored at 5 degrees Celsius or less. Within 48 hours, milk is taken in tankers to a milk factory where it's pasteurized and homogenized. This technique heats milk to 72 degrees Celsius for no less than 15 seconds, then cooled immediately to destroy any harmful bacteria and microorganisms. This also extends the shelf life. Milk is put under pressure through fine nozzles, which evenly disperses fat globules. This stops the cream separating and rising to the top, allowing a more consistent texture and taste. Some manufacturers produce inhomogenized milk for people who prefer the cream to separate. Traditionally, ghee is made first by converting milk into dahi, churning the dahi at room temperature to yield traditional desi makhan or butter. Kova is traditionally manufactured by continuous boiling of milk in a shallow iron or stainless steel vessel to remove moisture, and the process continues till the total solid level is attained. Process of almond milk. The machine is through the different geometry of the stator and rotor in the high-speed rotation of the relative movement, through the shear, grinding, high-frequency vibration and broken. There are 3 grinding zones in the crushing chamber. One is a coarse grinding zone, 2 is a fine grinding zone, and the third is an ultrafine grinding zone. Paneer manufacture involves the coagulation of milk proteins to form curd. During this process, large clumps of proteins are formed in which fat and other colloidal and dissolved solids get entrapped. The coagulation of milk occurs when pH of milk reaches 4.6, which is the isoelectric point of its major protein, casein. The type and concentration of the acid and the mode of delivery into the hot milk influence the moisture level and product yield. Making process of a ice cream. First, the ingredients are selected based on the desired formulation and the calculation of the recipe from the formulation and the ingredients chosen. Then the ingredients are weighed and blended together to produce what is known as the ice cream mix. Blending requires rapid agitation to incorporate powders, and often high-speed blenders are used. The ice cream is cooled as quickly as possible down to a holding temperature of less than 25 degrees Celsius.